Hello, I'm in a 2012 Chevy Malibu, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface here. So first, you'll start the vehicle, which this is on, and then make sure everything's booted up. And for this model, we're going to use our voice commands to add it manually with our voice. So we'll click this button and hold.
Ready?
Pair.
Pair. Please start a search on your Bluetooth phone.
So as it said here, make sure that's on, which this is, and then if you push and hold your Bluetooth, it'll pull up a pairing menu.
Select your vehicle on your phone and then enter the code 3140. Again, the code is 3140.
Sometimes this might take a few minutes or a few tries of restarting your phone, but your vehicle, I believe it said 3140, so we'll type that in, 3140. So it might be different for yours. Clay's phone.
About to store. Clay's phone. Does that sound okay?
Yes.
Clay's phone has been successfully paired. Returning to the main menu. Ready?
And then to get out of these voice commands, you can just hit this button.
Goodbye.
But that's it. And now that that's connected, and if you're having issues, you might need to delete a device that's stored first before adding a new one, because there's a limited number of phones that can be stored. But you can take calls, things like that. Now, I don't believe this model will let you play Bluetooth music, which you can double check. The first thing I would check is like these aux buttons. If you toggle through that, sometimes there'll be a Bluetooth listed, but I don't think this model does. But you can take phone calls, which is the main purpose, just to make it safer while driving. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.